Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech It's Simple. In this video, we will be showing you how to sign up and log into the online banking services from M&T Bank. First, go into your web browser and in the address bar type in mtb.com. Now press enter and you will be taken into the M&T official website. Click on the login button at the top area and you will be taken into the login section. Click on the Enroll Now button at the bottom right corner of the login area and you will be taken into the sign up page. In this page, you will be asked to select your account type, either personal, business, or both. Click on either one of these options, and you will be asked to enter either your account information or your debit card information. You can choose either one of them, and after entering your credentials, click on the Continue button. When you click on Continue, you will be taken into your account creation page. From there you will be able to create a username and password for your account. When your account is set up, go back to mtb.com and click on the Login button once again. Now select your account type and enter your username. Now enter your password and click on the Login button and you will be logged into your M&T Online banking account. So that's it for this video. If you like our content, give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching.